Hello, this is Mr. Satran, and I want to show you how to make a very user-friendly home page so that your kids can navigate through the assignments that you want them to do in a really easy to follow manner. So home pages are the front page that students see. So if I click on my reading course right now, this is the home page that they come to. I have information for parents if they want to learn about using Canvas, my office hours and ways to contact me, 3 modules that I've created for the first 3 weeks that we have work for them. And this I will work on. I'll either redirect kids to the science course or I'll put the assignments here as links, depending on what I choose to have them do. The 5th grade team is working on that right now. So this is my page, and this is what makes sense for my kids in terms of their experiences with Canvas and how to use this platform. But let's say either you are not as comfortable with making stuff or your kids have not really used Canvas. Then you might want to make something a bit more user-friendly. So in order to make a new page, you click on Pages like I did down here, and then View All Pages, because you have to get to all your pages. And yes, I have a lot of pages, but this is like years worth of stuff that I've done. So please don't be intimidated by that. And then I'm going to create a new page. And I have to wait for this launching tool to come up. And now I can go in here and say demo homepage. So I'm just going to put the type in, and then I can modify what it looks like afterwards. So I'll say Mr. Satran's homepage, and let's say I wasn't departmentalizing, so I was teaching all subjects. So I'd probably say reading/social studies, math, science, and language arts. Okay. I probably want to give some introductions or instructions. So instructions. Please visit this home page every day to see what you need to do for homework or other learning activities. I probably could have said that better, but I'm just trying to demonstrate how to make something. So let's say I want to set up for my first week. I could do it several ways. I could call this week of March 30th, 2020, and then say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then I like to give a space between things so there's a little break. Copy that, Control C, paste it here, Control V, space, Control V, space, Control V. Okay. So now that I have this all set up, now I can format it a little bit. I'll make this bold and big. I'll make this a little bit bigger, bold, and maybe 18. I'll make this a different color, maybe blue, so that it stands out. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll underline that and bullet these. And then what I would do is fill in assignments like read article XYZ, and then this might go to reading Canvas course and do discussion for XYZ, and so on and so on. I don't need to fill everything in, but you could day by day tell the kids what to do and where to go. So down in science, I might be able to say, go to STEM Scopes and do the lesson entitled, and then put the title of the lesson in there. So I could format the rest of this page, but for time's sake, that's up to you to do, and you can figure out what works best for you. I mean, another way I could do this is, instead of saying week of March 30th, I could put the dates here. So Monday, March 30th, Tuesday, March 31st, so that it's even more clear. So I could, just to give an example, say Monday, March 30th, Tuesday, March 31st, and then there's no question what day kids are expected to do whatever they're expected to do. So I'll just do these two to have two examples of ways you could do this. And since I did that, I will just go ahead and bullet it and underline this so it looks the same as one for reading science. So now that I've completed, although it's not really complete, my page, I'm going to save and publish the page. So this is my page, but it is not my home page yet. If I click on home page, now let's remember the name. I called it demo homepage, and I go home. It's my old page. So let's say I wanted to change it to the new page. Then I would go to pages and click view all pages, and I would go to my demo page that I just created. Where is it? Demo homepage. Okay. Now, right now, when it says Mr. Satran's homepage, this thing called front page marks this page as my front page. But I'm going to go up to demo, and now I'm going to come over to these three vertical dots and say use as front page, which I have now done. Now the front page is here next to this page. It's under pages, and it is marked as the front page. And when I go home, I now have that work that I just did. Now, when you're in your home page, if you have not set pages as your home page yet, you're going to have to come over here to choose home page. And normally it says course modules, and if you haven't created any course modules, then they're just going to come to a blank screen. So you have to click on Pages Front Page, which is telling Canvas that for this course, you want them to, for your home page, you want them to go to Pages, and you want them to use your front page as the home page. And then you save it, and your home page is what it is. So that is how you create a home page.